second that I'm here. Every time I'm on the mic, I feel your presence coming near. Every year I'm one step closer to accomplishing my goals. I'm looking at you in the mirror right now, homie, you ain't gone. It's been a long road pushing, this music thing been rough. Lost a lot of faith within myself, coping with your loss. I'm back up on my feet right now, me against all odds. Demons in my sleep, loyalty above all laws. I keep this shit alive, ain't just talking about in songs. Still living up in the yacht on the